Meaning of hoagie.
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 Hoagie. The word hoagie refers to a type of sandwich that typically consists of meat, cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, and other condiments served on a long Italian or French roll. Hoagies are often associated with Philadelphia and the surrounding areas. The origins of the term hoagie are debated, but it likely comes from Italian immigrants who worked at a shipyard named Hog Island in Philadelphia during World War I. Today, hoagies are popular across the United States and can be customized with a variety of meats, cheeses, and toppings to suit individual tastes.